Hello guys, Josh here. Today we're going to do a quick video on FTR. So what the FTR is it means failure to return. It's when price breaks an area and it breaks an area, pulls back and takes off in the direction of the engulf without coming back. So I'm going to draw a quick schematic on how that works. So let's say we have a key level here, key level going across here, and then price. And normally that key level can be SSR, it can be support resistance, it could be another flag limit, which we're going to talk about flag limits in videos to come. In the next video, we'll talk about the flag limit. But typically it's after price breaks a key area and or a key level and it retraces and it continues in the direction of the engulf. So we have our resistance here, and let's say price breaks it. It retraces, and then it continues. Guys, our FTR would be the ending point in which price broke our key level all the way down to the retracement. And we'll pull that box over and we would wait for price to return to this area. And when price comes back, it should bounce back. So this is an example of an FTR on when the price is going up, price breaks a resistance. We see the break here, we see the retracement, and then price resumes in the direction of the engulf. Now, price works the same way in a bearish market. So let's say we have a clear all of this out. Now, in a bearish market, let's say we have a support here. Price is coming down. Price breaks our support, pulls back, and then continues in the direction of the engulf. Our FTR would go to the area that engulfed price. So we'll go all the way down to the tip of the engulf and we will extend our box to the deepest retrace, which is here. We pull that over and we would expect price to bounce the first time that it comes back to here. We expect price to go touch it and continue down. Now, for some examples in the chart, I'm going to show a couple of examples here. So here we have a support and we have price broke our support here. I'm going to draw it all the way across here so you can see it. Price broke our support, pulled back, and then continued in the direction of the engulf, making this our failure to return. We're going to draw a box from the top of the engulf all the way down to the bottom of the retracement, and we're going to pull it over. And we expect price to break once it comes back to that area. And if we look on this lower time frame here, we actually can see where price broke it. We got a touch here and price resumed in a direction of the trend. So I'm going to show another here. Here's an example of one in a bearish FTR. So we have a significant low here. We have our low. And then we have this area here where price engulfed our low. It pulled back and then it resumed in the direction of the trend. Now, this one is a little bit tricky because we can't really see the engulf well on this time frame. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to a lower time frame. So I'm just gonna mark that area for now. Okay. And what do we have? We have the break of our support. And then we saw price pull back up. Now, guys, this one's a little bit tricky. This is more of an advanced FTR that we talk about in our advanced Discord group, to where our FTR would be here because this is the deepest point of the retrace due to other factors, due to this needing to hit a certain point before it goes in another direction. If you want to learn more about that, you can join the advanced Discord. We talk about that here. But we can see we have our FTR. We can see price broke down. It came back to our FTR before continuing the move down. Another example, we have another FTR here. We have a key level here. Price broke it, retraced. And we pull it over. And guys, we got a reaction here. Smaller time frame, we would see we had a reaction here. And so that's the basis of the failure to return, the FTR, and how it works. What we're going to do is I'm going to do a video after this one that's just in a series of videos that are going to build on each other. So the FTR is the first concept that we want to make sure that we understand because everything else is going to be based on our FTR. The next video, we're going to talk about flag limits. We're going to talk about how they work, what are they, how do we trade them, and we're going to continue with more videos from here. Now, I'm going to keep things basic here. If you want to learn any more of our advanced techniques and advanced ways of looking at the market, you can join our advanced Discord. That's it for now. Take care and see you in the next video.